Now for HIPAA, ethics, and legal. Starting with HIPAA, confidentiality, and privacy. So HIPAA is all about privacy of information. Knock, knock. Okay, what's this? Who's there? It's HIPAA. HIPAA who? Sorry, I can't tell you. That's private. You know, I can't work like this. I'm done. Okay, on a serious note, HIPAA is Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. This is a law protecting the right to privacy for clients. It regulates how clients' personal health information, for example, diagnosis, test results, and other things, are used and disclosed. Now, this is vitally important on exams and the NCLEX. So pause the screen and write down those words. Nurses and healthcare professionals are both legally and ethically required to protect clients' privacy, as well as maintain confidentiality of their medical information. Guys, this is critical. Many nurses have got fired, as well as their license placed on probation and even removed for violating HIPAA. So trust me, it is no joke. These privacy rules are huge on the NCLEX and are always tested on exams. We must protect clients' information and keep it private. Now for the key points to write down. Number 1, only share client info with other team members directly involved with care. Big key terms right there. Directly involved with care. Also, it's a need-to-know basis only. And no oversharing detailed information with non-essential personnel, like transporters and secretaries. For example, oversharing too much details, like specific diagnosis or lab reports, with non-essential personnel, like transporters and unit secretaries, as mentioned before, who don't necessarily need to know these details. So a Saunders question. A charge nurse from another unit asked about the client's condition, stating, "The client's my neighbor and I want to check on her." The correct answer is, "I'm sorry, I can't tell you." Yes, the key term is the charge nurse is from another unit. This is a need-to-know basis. And in this case, this nurse does not need to know. Now a HESI question. The nurse looks up the chart of a cousin, who is not under the care of the nurse. What is the manager's next action? Correct answer, contact Human Resource Department. Yes, HESI states that there's a breach in confidentiality, which can lead to termination. But HR should be contacted and they should be made aware. Now all right, that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to take your quiz and download the study guides. And also feel free to share the love, share with a classmate and even your instructor. See you guys in the next videos.